It's pouring. The old man is snoring. And you too? How about you, Ash? Are you happy it's raining? Oh, look at you. Are you happy it's raining? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at you too. Are you happy it's rain? Oh my goodness. Oh, you hear thunder? Oh, look at you. Oh my goodness. Look. Are you happy? Are you happy? Yeah, I know you're always happy, you sweet thing. I'm sorry I can't put you out under a tree. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. You're so pretty. Look at you. I know, I'll spray you in a minute as soon as I stop recording. Okay? Oh my goodness, I love you. Yes, you look so pretty. I can put you in the bathtub. Yeah, I could do that. I could give you a shower. Oh, how lovely you are. And you're beautiful too, Ashley. You're so pretty. You don't like the bathtub though. Yes, you do. What? Oh my goodness, look how pretty. What? Huh? Oh. Yeah. Nobody's paying much attention to you, baby. I'm sorry. You could whistle. Look at you. Oh, I know. You're a pretty bird. Oh, pretty birdie bird. Now, come on, Ash. Say something nice. Come on. Who was that? Oh, Margaret just came out. Yeah, pretty birdie. Pretty bird, I know. You can see how she's redecorating my 2x4s here. I have to put wire on them, I guess, and save the porch. But, no, that's not necessary. You have things to chew yourself. Come on. I know. I don't want you doing that. I know. Margaret! Margaret, look at you! You happy too? Huh? Margaret. Oh. Hello, Margaret. Hi, Margaret. Hello, Margaret. Oh, aren't you pretty? Go back to your raindrops. I know you like that. Yeah, I know. Margaret. What? Hello, Margaret. Ooh, Margaret's going to terrorize somebody. Oh. These girls don't like Margaret. Oh. What? Oh, I see. Okay. Yeah. Yes, I know you're a pretty bird. Oh, yes, I know you're very active. Don't you chew that. Don't you chew that. Mama has to come out and nail up metal or... Don't do that. Not even think about it. Oh. Are you going to laugh? Who's going to laugh? Who's going to laugh? Who's going to laugh? Are you going to laugh? Mama's taking all this down. Margaret, come on over. What you doing, girl? This is the last day, I think, of the hurricane, and we haven't. This is the most rain we've had. This is the most rain, and thank goodness, no problems. But supposedly there were tornado warnings for today. Are you gonna laugh? Are you good? Come on, laugh. Laugh, my Ashley. Oh, Ashley, laugh. Come on. All right. Who did that? Oh, whoa. Margaret just went in the house. Okay. I love you. Okay, now, yeah. Yeah, you're a good girl. Okay. How's that, huh? That's my girl. Yes, that's my girl. My girl who loves Ruby, the swearing parrot. Don't you love Ruby? Do you love Ruby? I know. She gets so excited. Oh, I feel drafts of currents in back of me because of Margaret flying in and out. Okay, I'm gonna go in the Are you laughing? Margaret? Margaret is going to attack the kittens. They will not touch a bird when she's finished with them. Okay, I'm gonna go now. I'm gonna go. Okay. Don't you chew. You better get off there now. No, no, no. Whoa, what? Oh, what? There used to be a man locally who had a chicken. That was his theme song on television. His name was Red something or other, and yeah, you're a good girl. And that was it was in the groove, and it's sung by a chicken, and she does that now, and yes, Margaret, and oh, we'll look at you too. I have two less wind chimes. Cassie has taken it over and eaten it. Well, I have to restring them. The good big one. Yes, you beautiful little girl. The really big one, the one with the dragonfly right there, has no flapper at the end. The little plastic thing on the bottom is gone, and the one with the silver spoons has to be completely done. So she has fun with wind chimes. Well, my girls, it's been fun visiting with you. Mommy has to go and clean bathrooms, which is very, very not fun, especially when I could be out here with you filming your pretty little faces. All right, now, if I put this down, Cass, if I put the camera down, are you going to chew? I think you oh my gosh, there's another one. Okay, there's another spot. We're going to have to put a muzzle on the girl. Anyway, goodbye for now. Bye-bye. You don't say goodbye, do you, Ashley? Bye-bye. Okay, that'll do. That's okay. We call the dogs that way. Yes, we do. We call the dogs. Yeah, you're a good girl. Mama loves you. How about we take you? Oh, there goes Leah coming again. She's back in the living room. Yes, Ashley, Mommy loves you. Oh, you're so pretty. You're so pretty. Bye. Goodbye. Yeah, goodbye.